Okay, you're here because you want to understand how a modern shoe factory works and operates, or you're ambitious and you want to build a shoe factory. This course is a brief explainer on what a factory does, and more importantly, what a factory doesn't do. If you're going to build a factory, you need to understand the network that you're going to be a part of, right? A shoe assembly factory doesn't necessarily make all the subcomponents or raw materials. This will help you understand what your factory, it's a machine. What is this machine designed to do? Hey, my name's Wade Motawi. I'm the shoe dog. First of all, hey, why should you listen to me? Hey, the answer is I've been in the shoe business for about 20 years, and I've been in shoe factories of all sizes, from one line to 100 lines, from 1,000 employees to 100,000 employees. Um, I've worked on all different types of shoes, so I can quickly explain to you the basic types of equipment, the basic layout, the basic structure, the things that you're going to need to account for when you create a factory. What functions, purpose, what people you're going to need. This will give you a brief explainer to that. And I hope if you live in a footwear producing country, this will give you a little bit of an understanding about how you got to go about doing it. If you live in the United States, this maybe is an explainer of why you shouldn't make a shoe factory, and you can understand that. But this is a great lesson for any developer, designer, product manager that hasn't been able to go to a shoe factory and see how it all goes together, what equipment, what steps and operations. This is a perfect course for you to really see what's going on inside of a shoe factory.